Hey, our politicians don't come again. Oh. Now, Nigerian Communication Commission, they don't come outside. They don't give order. Say all the network providers, both Airtel, what did they call her? Glo and MTN, all of them, they don't come outside. Say, may they block all SIMs. Yeah, all the SIMs where no they register with a national identification number in 2 weeks' time. Let you weary. Don't weary finish. 2 weeks. See, no be saying a bad idea. You understand? Now very good step. At least this one, I know they support them every time, but for me to tell na say na good step, una suppose believe me. Because now at least this one go even help to reduce criminal cases. You understand? It go even enhance security. It go it get your advantage. You understand? But my problem with all this thing now be the 2 weeks where these people can't give us. 2 weeks. No. Waiting, even wedding stuff, they know they plan wedding in 2 weeks. We they talk about multitude of people. Now this man they bring say 2 weeks. May everybody don't register under 2 weeks. Nigeria, when population are 200 million. How it won't happen? No, which magic una won't perform? Make I know. This thing where they talk about Ghana do amo. This registration of SIM with identification number. Ghana do in own. Una know how long it take Ghana? 6 months. Open una ear very well. 6 good months, and Ghana population are just 29 million. Now compare 29 million 6 months, 200 million 2 weeks. You know they still say Nigeria politicians don't they smoke something. No, like una know they see am. They dey under, I don't know whether na alcohol, drug, no, they dey under something. Or been a spiritual attack. 2 weeks. The funny thing now they for all this this thing where they go around now be say, my people, if I tell una this thing, una fit faint. Now they even add on top say, anybody where they go register, say they must hold 20 naira for hand. Hey. I don't know whether na akara we they go buy you. They say you go hold 20 naira before they go. Now that 20 naira, no, imagine, make we do the maths. 20 naira, imagine say 10 million people go register. Say they agree for the 20 naira, they go register. You know how much these people don't put for their pockets? 200 million. 200 million, now these people go keep. Now they understand why they rush. Now, because see, Christmas don't they near. So they look for, you understand, money where they go use badu, enjoyment for this Christmas. Now waiting now they define. Now one share 200 million among una self. Already Nigeria people know they earn better salary, but una still they won't. I don't know why una just they wicked and selfish. Una too they wicked and selfish. Upon all the money where these people they thief, where they go collect this one, collect that one, collect that one. On top of all the money where they don't borrow, where the borrow serve, it don't do on top Nigerian heads, all Nigerian citizens. On top of that, you know do them. Yes, now the matter be this for Aproko Show 101 TV, and I know say you enjoy am, so make sure say you click that like button. And if you get anything against wetin I don't talk, why not? If not, drop out for the comment section. Yes, share this video, make it go viral, make everybody know wetin dey happen for here. You understand? Don't go far. I go see you later. 19-year-old lady. 19019, she don't come outside, they cry. They say everybody they insult her body type. Did they say her breast they sag? Say her breast don't fall for this her age. My people no be small matter. 19 years old. I beg for now. No waiting they share. Hey, I beg watch the video.
Hello guys. Hi. I want to just say something real quick. As you can see, I have saggy boobs. They are just there. And you can see very well they get up to my tummy. Yeah, that's it. They get up to my tummy. This is the heifer. And that's just how I was born. I don't know if really we had the chance to change our body. I really would have changed mine, but it's not that easy, you know. the Nigeria, it's really hard because people insult you. People insult me every day. Like I've been depressed. I've been turning to depression so many times. It just happened.
Hey! What a shock. What a big shock. 19 years old. Ha! My people, assuming they don't tell me this girl age. I thought when I said she be 35. See who be 19. Wahala dey oo. You come outside, they cry. See who they cry oh. And see dress where she even wear, she still dey show us the whole thing. But you dey cry. As you cry now, why you still come wear wetin dey show all your whole breast? Nobody go know say your breast don sag, my sister, if you cover your body well. You understand? And the thing wey even dey pay me be say the statement wey she even make, she say na so dem born am. They born you like that. Wait, you think say we be your age mate? I no be 19 years old oh, look my face. I no understand. So you dey try tell us now say oh, say as your mama push you outside, your breast start dey sag immediately. So your breast don dey reach your stomach since the day wey your mama push you outside. If I was you one from where you dey now, you no go recognize yourself again. Una dey listen to this thing wey this girl dey talk. Wahala. Nothing wey we no go see for this generation oh. Nothing wey we no go see for this generation. Na them go dress indecently, na them go still shout or cry when person insult them. If this one wey you be like this, you be 19. Now be say by the time you reach 25, you and Dorothy for Big Brother Nigeria una go dey do competition. I dey tell una, see the thing. Upon say the video self, they no even show us where the thing dey. If it be say the boob self, they sit down on top her lap. No be small matter oh. And some guys now na just there they talk plenty things. Say una love am like that, una love am like that, una love am like that. Wetin this girl dey do when she dey very younger than this? She say na so they born am. No, she suppose don dey do some kind things. My sister, this press conference where you bring, they give us for video, we no need them. The only press conference where we need na Buhari own. This one where you bring, we no need that. Because imagine say everybody they come outside, they do showing sagging breast, they complain. My sister, you are not the first person. And you are not the last person that's going to have sagging breast. Because if everybody they do the same way they do, now they say internet no go get space again for other things. Now so sagging breast we go the year up and down. See, if you now ask me, I go tell you, I say this girl, she either dey too emotional, or she dey seek attention. Because I know they see wetin dey here. If you get problem, meet therapist or meet your psychologist. May they give you solution and stop making a fool out of yourself. Because now, as you don't come outside, everybody can't know say your breast they sag. I know you before. I don't know. So now you yourself can't expose yourself, can't disgrace yourself, and you dey cry on top. My sister, go buy, what did they call that thing? Push-up bra. Go buy and wear am. Nobody will not say your breast don't fall. Why you can't dey announce am? Na national TV. I bet see, my advice for you, face your studies. You be 19, you never even start life. Face your studies and serve God. Now, what you suppose to think about now for this your age? No be your breast don't sag. This one they insult you. This one they insult you. Now you cause them made they insult you because if you know, see what she wear for video. It already they tell you the kind of thing where she they wear when she they go outside. If you feel wear this thing, sit down for house, do video. Now be say if you they come out, now only God know whether any part of your body self go cover. But it is well. My prayers are with you. all the people where you don't seek attention finish, they don't see you. And I hope say you get what you define.